Okay, I've got my paste made up. I'm going to get a little glob on the end of the stick here. And just push it in the hole. Give a little more. I'm going to get around to the side here. And we got a little bit of a gap right here, so I'm going to fill that up. I'm just generally going to go all around the cane and push this paste into the cracks wherever it will go in. Just kind of mash it and push it. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Now I'll come back with a rag with a little damp rag, not a whole lot of water, but enough to just wipe this off. Okay, that looks pretty good. After that dries, it takes a while for this stuff to dry, but that's okay, we can continue. After it does dry, you might want to come back with a little piece of sandpaper and, well, you know, take off little bits that are left. But for our purposes today, this will do. And so it just closes up these little cracks around here and a little bit up there. Now we'll let that dry and we'll go on to the finishing process, which is really fun and it's going to bring out the grain on this cane really beautifully.